the seller is actually obligated to allow you to do these things. These are the things that they're obligated to do that affect you. The seller must give the buyer reasonable access to the property to conduct building inspections, pest inspections. You're allowed to go once to read any meter. You're allowed to go once to inspect the property before settlement. So as close to settlement as possible. I always recommend you do it. You should always do it after the seller's vacated the premises, but quite often they leave like the day before settlement. I think it's great to have your pre-settlement inspection the day before settlement. If you can get away with it, the day of settlement doesn't leave you much room, doesn't leave you a lot of time to get hold of your conveyancer if something's wrong. So they're also going to allow you to access the property once to value the property before settlement. So maybe your lender needs to have an assessor come on the property to value it before they'll approve your mortgage. And once to carry out an inspection for smoke alarms installed on the property. You've got to be able to say, yep, all of that, I'm satisfied with all of that before I buy. So the seller must use the property reasonably until settlement and can't do anything significantly after the and can't do anything to significantly alter the property or cause expense to you. The seller must not leave any rubbish on the property or take any items that are included as fixtures. So there you go. That's enough on that one. Let's have a look at the next page. Home insurance. Okay. Let's cover this in a separate video in case somebody just wants to watch this video. Yeah. Okay, good.